Only when the last tree is cut down, the last fish is eaten, and the last river is poisoned, man will know that he cannot eat money. Honorable judges, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to all. The subject that has been given today to discuss with you all, which I feel the most relevant and worthy enough to share, and the topic is human being and the environment. The environment gives us countless benefits that we cannot repay with our entire life, as they are connected with the forest, trees, animals, water, and air. The forest and the trees filter the air and absorb harmful gases. Plants purify water to reduce the chances of flood and maintain natural balance, and many others. The protection of the environment is the foundation for sustaining our planet, community, and economy. The environment supports our ecosystems, allowing them to grow and thrive. If we fail to protect our environment, we will put the lives of animals, plants, and humans and more at risk. We know that centuries before, years before, our forefathers had the natural tendency in them to protect our nature. They were religiously, ritualistically, sentimentally, and emotionally attached with it. But after crossing all these centuries, we human beings are developed a utilitarian kind of attitude that has changed this whole planet into a huge shopping market. And as Mahatma Gandhi has rightly pointed out, there is enough resources in the world for everyone's need, but not for anyone's greed. My dear audience, have you ever thought of the environmental hazards and risks and how to prevent them? Many of us today are in recognition that the threat to climate change is real, urgent, serious, and growing overnight. Also, environmental hazards can increase the risk of pollution, asthma, heart diseases, and many more. They can be social, such as working atmosphere, poor housing conditions, and poverty. The question is what to do, how to do, and who can do it? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's not what, how, or who can do it. It's what can you do as an individual. The blaming and the waiting days are over. We need to act now. So let's start by putting rubbish in the bin and implementing the 3 R's rhyme: reduce, reuse, recycle. Let's not be more economic oriented, but be more environmental oriented. Let's not be greedy, it's time to be greeny. My dear audience, speeches and talks won't solve the problem, but walk and talk is more effective. The environment is in us, not outside of us. The trees are our lungs, the rivers are our bloodstreams, and what we do to the environment today, we can ultimately do it to ourselves. I would like to conclude here by encouraging you all to make a promise to the world that we will not harm it, but make it a better and a safer place. Thank you.